friends, this is Samrata Doshi and welcome to my channel Tech Savvy Andy. Today I have come up with another Excel video for you. I will show you in this video that how you can set a password for your Excel file so you can keep it confidential and save it from unauthorized use. I will also show you how you can remove password from the any Excel file. So let's begin, and I want to add one more thing, that I have started one Excel playlist, so you can find its link in description box. So let's start. I have already opened an Excel file. Currently I am using MS Excel 2016 version. I will show you two types of method to set the password. I will start with first one. I have already made this confidential file with data, so I want to protect this sheet. So I will go to file menu, then I will go to info, then I will go to protect worksheet, protect workbook, then I will go to encrypt password. Here you can see they are asking for passwords. You can type your password, desired password. It will ask you again to re-enter password. So you have to confirm. Okay, so now we will go to back and you have to just save your file and close it. This was the file learning Excel. Now I will click to open it. You can see that it is asking password, so I will enter my password and click on OK. So you can now see that file is open. So you can, like this way, protect your worksheet or Excel sheet. If you want to remove your password, then go again on the same location, go on info, go again on protect password, encrypt password. Now you can see that this password I already written. You just have to remove it by backward key and click on OK. Now go back and save and close it. So we are opening it again. So you can see that it is opened without any password. So this way you can remove any password. Okay, we will start with the second method. In second method, go to file menu, go to save as and go to browse. Here you can see that it is asking for location and file name. It is already used file, so I have already mentioned the name and the save as type Excel workbook, and the location I have mentioned desktop. But if we are creating any new file, so you can mention as per your need. Here you can see the tool option. Click on that and go to general option. Now you can see that it is asking for password. Here you can see that two type of password are there: password to open and password to modify. If you want only that you keep password to open any Excel file only, that you can type it here your password. And you want to keep a password that no one can except you modify the Excel sheet, so you can here also password. And it is here another option, always create a backup, so you can click on it also. So it will create a backup file whenever you save your file. So click on OK. You have to confirm your password and confirm again the password to modify it. Now click on save. Yes. So now if you close it, this was my older file. So you can see that the backup of learning file has been created. You can see that I have opened the Excel file. It is asking me for password, so I will enter it and click on OK. It is asking me to modify password. So click on OK. So you can see that now I can make any changes in it also. Whatever changes you want to make, whatever you want to write, you can do it. So in this way you can save your Excel sheet in protect manner. You can keep password for both the option, that is for open and to modify, so you can double secure your Excel file. If you use the second method, you will not able to remove your password like first method. I will suggest you to create a backup file always, so you can, if you forgot your password, so you can retrieve your data easily. If you forgot your password, you never able to recover this, so you save this password in safe document or keep it simple so you can remember it. So this way you can set your password in Excel file. I hope you like this video. If it works for you, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share this video, and please stay connected with my channel so I can bring such more useful video for you. Thank you. Bye.